morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is, of course, Light Liger here, and today we are going to be talking about JustSwap, which was released less than 10 hours ago and is currently on its beta stage. In this video, I will be teaching you how to swap on the platform, how to provide liquidity to the pools, and also give my personal review on the beta version of the platform. And JustSwap basically works in almost the exact same way as Uniswap does or Mooniswap, but the benefit is that it's happening on TRON blockchain, so the fees are much lower, so you can kind of provide liquidity and then withdraw it without having to worry about are you going to be losing on the Ethereum fees versus the amount that you have accumulated from the pool itself. And also these basic swaps between the tokens are extremely cheap as well. So the first thing you need to do in order to interact with the website is a TRON link wallet. And what you can do is you can create a totally new wallet and you can import your TRON address from your Trust wallet, Exodus, Atomic wallet, and the list goes on. Once you have imported in your wallet, you're going to be logging in and you're going to be typing in your password, obviously, and then we are already automatically logged in. Here on the left side, we are seeing our account address and also the amount of TRON we have currently. And the first thing I'm going to be showing you how to trade on the platform, and it's extremely simple. There's no KYC, nothing. And right now in the platform, compared to Uniswap or Mooniswap, for example, you're not able to list custom tokens. So I tried to add my own token Wuhan here, but that is not an option as of right now. I'm not sure, is it only going to be verified tokens being listed here on this list specifically? That remains to be seen. However, there is a good side to that, obviously, that will reduce the amount of scams that are going to be taking place in JustSwap, but at the same time, it is going to be making things centralized and kind of allowing the TRON as a platform and a company to choose who gets to actually get listed on the platform or not. So I want to actually buy USDT because we're going to be providing that USDT into the pool. And by clicking the scan, I'm going to be opening it on a new tab. We can see the amount of liquidity and also the volumes per pairs. And there is going to be fees, and as you can see, there's a 1,500 fees in the USDT TRON pair. So people have traded a lot of volume. We are talking about 500,000 here, and there's a $1 million of liquidity there in the moment. And basically, this is less than 24 hours because it hasn't been out for that long. But that's going to be the amount of fees that are going to be distributed to the people who have provided liquidity on the platform. So this is what we call liquidity mining, basically. And there's other pairings such as the Just TRX. You want to kind of go for the bigger ones here because that's where a lot of the traffic will be coming from. And the bigger the pool, the bigger the rewards are going to be. You always want to kind of compare the liquidity into the actual volume. And then you can do your own calculations what to do. But we don't obviously have Tether at right now. So this is the USDT on the Tether blockchain. There's actually a tool which allows you to convert your Tether from TRON into straight to Ethereum. So in case you're interested in that. But I will leave that link down below. So what I want to do is I want to convert 2,000 TRON into USDT. And there's a price impact. And this is kind of like the lesser the liquidity in the pool, the higher the price impact will be. In Uniswap, actually, it's around 1 or 2%, so this is very low. And there's a liquidity provider fee, so that is 6 TRON will be sent by doing this transaction. And here we can see the stats again. So we're going to be converting 2,000 TRON into 56 USDT, and I will be confirming that swap. There will be pop-up here, which will be asking us to confirm this transaction. I'm going to be accepting it. And bada beam, bada boom, the transaction has been submitted and it's already verified. That's how fast TRON is. So this is a lot more better, update in terms of, Uniswap, but the better idea in that sense. And now I want to provide liquidity because I don't want my Tether just holding there on the wallet without gaining no interest whatsoever. So we're going to be putting out TRON and USDT. So I'm going to be providing max amount, and it will contrast that into the TRON. So you have to provide both of these, the both tokens into the pool. And this will give me 0.01% of the pool. So as you can see, I told you earlier, there's $1 million worth of liquidity in the pool, and now we're going to be approving that. You approve USDT, so you have to approve the token when you're going to be interacting with it on blockchain. So now that you have approved it, once again, this is only costing like a fraction of a cent because TRON is using the energy and bandwidth system. Okay, we're back again, and now I have provided more energy to my account, so making sure that the actual transaction will go through this time. So once again, we're going to be choosing USDT, that max amount, and then there will be an input, which will be changing all the time as the prices of TRON and USDT are fluctuating on the platform. And then we're going to be clicking once again, confirm the supply and accept. And now we can see that the actual pool has been provided with liquidity. In case I want to remove that liquidity and get my TRON and USDT back, I just simply click remove, and it will show us the actual amount, and it will show us also the kind of the amount that we have gathered since we have pooled in, since there are more traffic. Sadly, both Uniswap and JustSwap are not really showing us how much we are getting those dividends from providing to the actual pool and getting those fees. So it's that's something that I hope that they're going to be adding in the future. And here you can add a more slippage percentage. Sometimes your transaction will fail if the slippage is not high enough with certain like pairs which have more lower liquidity. But it's worth checking out which pools are the better ones to invest in. But not all are going to be just investing in the pools. They want to have a very fast way to swap tokens from another, from TRON, from WIN to USDT, or USDJ into Tether. There are many pairings that you can do on this platform which allow you to swap your favorite tokens between each other. And that's pretty much my rundown. In case you want to work with me on TRON related videos, here's my business email, lightliger@protonmail.com. You can also send me tips and tokens if you so desire. Obviously, the most helpful thing is to share the video itself, give a like, give a comment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will address to them once I see them. And I will probably do a future video on JustSwap. There's going to be more updates on the platform. Maybe I wish that they would change some of the fonts right now. These are kind of tiny. Some older people probably are not able to read them, and maybe the layout could be a bit more sexier. I think they're trying to do too much go for the Uniswap type of an interface, but I think that there could be a lot more information for the liquidity providers, how much they are getting. All of this information is good. So, and the scan page could show more of the traffics and things like this, in my opinion. But that's pretty much my rundown. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers.